these 1580 options, right? You may have somebody trying to sell 1,000 of them, and they're desperate to get out of them, and they've gone ahead and they've put in a price to sell them, way below what the mid price was, because for whatever reason the market's not filling it, so they put it in way below the mid price. And the market maker or the market computers might have some reason they don't want to sell it at that price, in which case you can scoop in and you can buy them for a really good value. Same thing goes on the other side. The market's falling apart and it's coming down like crazy, and everybody's trying to buy this strike now, right? But you happen to have the strike. You could sell that at way over market value sometimes, because there's pressure on that. The market maker doesn't want to take the other side of the order, maybe because the computers are overloaded, maybe, it could be a gazillion reasons why on the other end, but whatever reason, they're not going to take it for a reasonable price. In other words, they're not going to fill your order for a reasonable price. So what does the buyer do desperate for the put? Well, they come in, they jack up their bid. You have an order in, they'll take it.